Hi there, this is an Excel spreadsheet on how to use my clothing inventory tracker. So if you have a clothing business, this is perfect for you to keep up with your orders, your profit, and how much inventory you have. So this first page shows you just a dashboard of the number of orders that you have, your total revenue, your net profit, today's date, your pending orders, and how many items are new or in progress. And you can just put your mouse over each one and see how many are in progress. There's also a to-do list, so you can write notes here. And then, okay, so we're at the inventory tab, so you can just click on the tabs on the bottom to show you how to go from each tab. And then we're in the inventory tracker, so this is a place for you to write down the item that you have. So say it's a category, you've got tops, bottoms, skirts, jeans, outerwear, accessories, and dresses. If you wanted to add to that, you could. So you just hit that edit button and then add another item. And then hit done and then apply to all. And then you have another item on there. And then you've got, once you write down the date, double click in here. Category, say it's jeans, blue jeans, and then we've got a size, say it's a size 2. You don't have to put a color if you don't want to, and then quantity, say you've got 3 in stock and you're selling them for $25 a piece. The value is $75, and then this calculates the total value of all the inventory you have, and that's perfect for tax purposes. And then if there's an identification number, like a SKU, you can change that if you wanted to write SKU. And then there's a place for a description. And then next on orders, this will help you to keep track of how many items you've sold. A lot of it has the same sort of idea of, like if it's the same jeans, if it's blue jeans, size 2, color is blue. If it was clearance or if it's sold out, if you sold one for $25, if you give a discount, and then how much fees were charged, and then how much it cost to ship it. And then that's your net profit. So this will calculate your net profit for you for the year, and then this will calculate your quantity sold for the year. And then you can put if it's the status, if it's been shipped, the customer name, address, email, shipper, the tracking number, the day you shipped it, and then the day it arrived to the client, and then any notes. So this is a pretty easy spreadsheet to use. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope you all